Congress office in Uttar Pradesh, Amethi, was attacked on Sunday around midnight. Unidentified miscreants vandalized dozens of vehicles parked outside, created chaos and fled the spot soon after. Police took cognizance of the matter after rushing to the scene and launched an investigation. A case has been registered against unknown persons based on a complaint. Meanwhile, Congress blamed the attack was carried by some BJP goons. Taking to X, Congress shared a video which shows car windows smashed and its glass pieces lying scattered on the ground. The party blamed BJP for restoring to violence, fearing defeat in Amethi. It may be mentioned that both Rabaireli and Amethi will go to polls in the fifth round of 7-phase Lok Sabha elections on May 20.